Bitcoin is about to get a massive move, but first we need this to happen. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I am trading this price action and what I am looking for next. And this long trade I am in right now, I've been showing it to you every single day for the past 16 days. I have not taken a profit until today. I've officially closed out half of this trade right now, locking in $10,000. And as the price is coming to this white box, we need to be paying attention. Now, on the daily time frame, there are three very important things we need to pay attention to. Thing number one is the fact that as the Bitcoin price came down to the low of this sideways range that we've been trading since the end of February, we got a very bullish pattern here on Market Cipher B. Not only is this a bullish pattern, but it's a very, very rare pattern. In fact, the last time we printed this pattern, it was the bottom back in November 2022, and this is none other than the uneven butt cheek pattern, where we have a very big left juicy cheek full of ravioli, full of ricotta cheese, and then we have a very skinny cheek on the right, very skinny, like that old waitress at the diner who comes out with the curly hair, smoking a cigarette with the uneven butt cheeks with your coffee. Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee. Now, you can see my coffee cup clearly has the uneven butt cheeks, and if we look at this picture, we can see the candlesticks as they are getting lower toward this key area of support. The butt cheeks are getting crooked. The big left cheek, the skinny right cheek, that's where the money's at, and the price gets a rise from that area, just like the smoke on the cigarette. Now, again, this is known medically as a bullish divergence, but when we look at this, not only do we see the butt cheeks, we also see this purple stuff on Market Cipher B, this money flow getting higher over time. We're also seeing this yellow oscillator right here, this yellow line getting higher over time, and we are seeing two big Ben Armstrong BitBoy green dots down here on the bottom of Market Cipher B, a very rare, very bullish signal. And we have gotten a rise to the upside. And if you've been following this channel, then you know that ever since July 8th, I've been telling you we are going to get a big push to the upside. And of course, we've gotten our big push to the upside, which leads us to thing number two that we need to be aware of, which is we are in a very strong uptrend. We were in a downtrend, making a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and now we've officially taken out the last lower high on the daily time frame, flipping market structure bullish. So we understand we have very bullish signals down at the lows. We've changed market structure, which is a sign of strength. But thing number three right now that we really need to pay attention to is the fact that we're coming into our green box of decision, aka area of resistance. And as we look at this area of resistance, which is the high volume node of this sideways range at approximately $67,000, we are seeing the price starting to find resistance by making a high, a low, and now we're struggling to get back above this level. In addition, when we look at Market Cipher B, what are we seeing? A red dot. So scary, oh my goodness, open mouth thumbnails with the red candles in the background. But here's the thing we need to understand. This, in my opinion, having switched market structure from bearish now to bullish by making a higher high, means we expect a pullback from this area. In fact, if you've been following the channel, you know I've been saying it. I expect a pullback from this area. And because we've changed market structure, taking out the last lower high in the downtrend, we are now looking for a higher low to then eventually, in my opinion, take us past these highs. Why am I still bullish? Why am I still looking to take out these highs? The reason is because when we go to the weekly time frame, we have confirmed a green dot below the zero line. Now, just looking at the green dots below the zero line, 1, 2, we've only had 3 of them this entire bull market. All 3 have given us a massive push to the upside after a little bit of a pullback. Now, let me show you what I mean. We come over here to the first one back here in December 2022, throwing a little Espanol in there, you know, trying to keep it politically correct and all that stuff. Look, after we printed that green dot on the weekly, we ended up with about an 11% move to the downside before we got our big push. Then we get our second green dot, which gives us approximately a 8% move to the downside before the next big push to the upside. Now, right now, what is happening? We are printing the green dot into major resistance after changing market structure from bearish to bullish, which means we can expect a bit of a move to the downside, maybe between 8 to 10, 11%, which would take us down to around that low 60s area before a big push to the upside. Now, something else we got to keep in mind. What happened here all these times When we printed that green dot on the weekly, we then got the red dot on the daily, which gave us the little move to the downside before the big push. Happened back in December 2022. Let's check it out right here. We got the green dot on the weekly followed by the red dot on the daily, which gave us that move to the downside about 8% before the big push to the upside. Now here we are. The same thing is happening. Is history about to repeat? That could be the name of this video. That could be the title in the thumbnail for the clickbait. Oh my goodness. But we do need to think to ourselves, this is a pattern that we're seeing over and over again in the uptrend. And so where is that higher low going to come in? Well, it could come in anywhere. And if you're a member of the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we post all the stuff, all the levels, all the trade setups that we are looking at. And by the way, if you want to join the best trading community in the world, go to jasoncaspertrading.com, click the link to join the VIP Discord, literally the best trading community in the world, where myself and multiple other pro traders are giving you their live streams every single day, telling you their setups, telling you their plans. Plus, we have an entire beginner's course in here. Absolutely the best in the world. For example, this Monday during the New York Open live stream, the two scalps we were looking for was a rise up to the golden pocket for a short, down to the golden pocket for a long. And you can see that we come up to the golden pocket for that drop to the downside, right to the golden pocket for the push to the upside. And of course, that push to the upside did give us a substantial move. And also, if you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, I'm currently trading on two exchanges. Number one, MEXC, best deal on fees in the world. You could literally scalp on here. Because the fees are so low, you can be profitable on small moves. Plus 0% spot fees. You can go in and out of Bitcoin basically for free. The second exchange I'm currently trading on is BLOFIN. BLOFIN right now is offering all these juicy bonuses if you sign up, including 15% cash back, plus up to $7,500 future bonuses, and a chance to win all these juicy prizes, okay? All these juicy prizes, plus 15% cash back. These are the two exchanges I'm trading on right now. Pretty dang cool. Like this picture of a guy wearing adult diapers. Links in the pinned comment and description. So we're looking for a pullback right now on Bitcoin from this key area of resistance. And the juiciest level that we have right here on the chart is in fact going to be a back test of this value area low, confluence with the Fibonacci golden pocket coming in between, I'd say, the high 50s and the low 60s. This is our historic zone of support that has been acting as support since February. Yes, we had a few deviations below this level, but in general, now that we have changed market structure from bearish to bullish, making a higher high in the daily, we can now look for a higher low. And then in my opinion, we will get this green dot to now print on the daily time frame here as the money flow continues to get thicker, and this weekly green dot will continue to play out as we get our move back toward the highs, in my opinion, around $75,000. So this is how I am looking to trade this right now on the higher term time frames. Obviously, there's a billion day trades and scalp trades you could take every single day. But in general, this is the idea I am looking for. And of course, there are other levels along the way down here that we could be looking for that bounce. But I would say the juiciest level right now is going to be that $60,000 level, having confirmed this red dot in the daily. Let's give it some time to play out. Remember, last time we confirmed the red dot in the daily, up here we had to consolidate range a little bit before another higher high was made. So I'm expecting kind of the same thing to happen now. Given the fact that we have a much more bullish bottom than we did back here, I'm actually expecting that next push to push us to a higher high. So that being said, that's it for today's video. May God bless you all in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed in multiple ways. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace!